Top of the morning to you.
Well, top of the morning to you, sir.
What are you fixing up for this special holiday?
Well, what is the holiday?
It is St. Patrick's Day.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful. So what do you normally think of when you think of St. Patrick's Day?
Guinness.
Oh, okay, perfect. That's not what we're making. Well, how about something else? What color do you think of?
Green.
Green, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we tend to do
sure.
green. Okay, so I'm going to fix something up. But the problem with most green cocktails and green liquors
is that they're terrible.
So we're going to try to avoid that.
A grasshopper?
We're not doing a grasshopper. So we are actually going to do. So what's another thing you think of with Ireland?
Whiskey.
Exactly. So we're going to do a whiskey-based cocktail.
That sounds delightful.
And we're going to use a classic cocktail in this case.
Okay.
So we're going to create what I'm calling a Shamrock Stinger.
The Shamrock Stinger.
Exactly. So
let me guess, it's a stinger made with Irish whiskey.
You got it. You got it. Exactly. So a normal Stinger, which is a classic cocktail, is a 2-ingredient cocktail. It has generally cognac and some creme de menthe.
Okay.
All right. But in this case, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using some Irish whiskey.
Lovely.
And
I love the powers.
Exactly. And one thing we're going to do is we're going to do some creative things to actually turn it green.
Is this chemistry?
Really close. All right, so let's look at it. All right, so what we would normally use is, this is just some of our
Powers
Irish whiskey. What we're going to use instead is this.
What is that?
That is some milk washed.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Powers Irish whiskey.
Wow, that's complicated.
Exactly. So what I've done is I've actually used milk to remove some of the tannins, so that we can get a little bit of a clearer whiskey.
That's why it looks a little funky.
Exactly, and then it'll allow us to color it. So we're going to use 2 ounces of the Irish whiskey that has been milk washed. All right, we can drink that later.
All right, sounds good. That'll be the chaser.
Exactly. Next, we are going to do a 1/2 ounce of this Menthe Pastille, and again, this is a slightly nicer version of creme de menthe. I actually really like it. It actually uses peppermint instead of spearmint.
Okay.
And I think it actually works better in the Stinger.
That's a difference.
Yeah. Especially with the milk wash whiskey, it's very nice. By the way, the milk washing gets rid of a lot of the tannins, and so it'll actually combine with the mint a little bit nicer.
Chemistry.
Exactly. All right. So we have our 2 ounces of the whiskey. We've got our 1/2 ounce of this, and then magical chemistry.
Yep. Show me.
We're going to do 2 drops. Green food coloring.
Like everything else for St. Patrick's Day.
I mean, listen, the thing is, almost all of your colored liqueurs, I mean, they just have food coloring. So we can just do this.
Whoa, it's really green. Glad you didn't put the 3rd dash in. It's overwhelmingly green. Unnaturally green.
Literally unnaturally, because we've added artificial color.
Right.
All right. What we're going to do is we're going to serve this in
that's a neat little rocks glass.
A rocks glass that is filled with crushed ice. All right. And so here we go. There you go, sir. And then our garnish, which is a little
shamrock.
Little clover. Which are edible, by the way.
Oh, great.
I checked that.
Well, I will enjoy drinking it then. Cheers. That's delicious.
It's actually really good.
It doesn't look delicious, but it is delicious. That's really, really good.
All right.
All right.
So
happy St. Patrick's Day.
Happy St. Patrick's Day.